Yes, hello everyone. Empire Finance TV or Empire Crypto TV as it was formerly known. Please do like, please do subscribe to our channel, and I'd like to thank everyone that has so far subscribed to our channel Empire Finance. We are a small channel and we are still growing, and we are looking to taking it further, creating much better content. But other than that, we are looking at a big event coming this April. Bitcoin halving on my screen, of course. It's the live Bitcoin halving countdown. Okay, right here. See April, predicted date, April 19, 2024. And we are less than 10 days away. But maybe you'll see on my title it says 10 days to go, but it's still like less than 10 days away. It's going to be a huge one. It's going to be an event that is going to shake the entire crypto landscape, Bitcoin being the mother of all cryptocurrencies. Halving, maybe most people don't understand the concept of halving. We're going to go through with that, but before I go through with that, let us first look into the market, and forgive me for the slowness of my screen. My PC is a bit slow at times when I'm doing these presentations, just because I'm using this kind of software. Sometimes it takes time to process the data. But anyway, let us just look into this. Okay, let's see what price is Bitcoin. Yes, also the Bitcoin price was also on that halving clock, around about 60 something thousand dollars, going for 70k at the moment. All right, we are looking at the weekly chart, I think, because there's a reason why I'm putting up this weekly chart, so that I can explain how this halving affects the market in Bitcoin. I've made videos before regarding this halving period, but I'm gonna repeat again and explain it maybe to new listeners who are new on the show. I've done a halving video before, back last year, talking about the 2024 halving. But now, since it's so imminent, in 10 days time, it's going to be a huge one. So I want to be one of those people who are there to talk about it before the event happens already. Right now, you can see Bitcoin almost at 70k, $69,000 per coin. And I think we are also looking good on coin market cap. We are in the trillions in terms of cryptocurrencies overall. In terms of 24 hours trading, I think we are looking at, I think it's more than one. It's more than 2 trillion market cap for 24 hours. Okay, this is the crypto market looking at. Now this market cap also depends on the market volatility. If the market is weak, it also affects the market cap. If the market is strong, it affects the market cap positively. As you can see right now, it's on its 2 trillions. But if Bitcoin falls, the numbers go down as well. There are some people who just get confused over there, but that's how it works. So Bitcoin being the mother of all cryptocurrencies, this week mixed, but you can see here price 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days. It's overall been gaining 5.11%, so which looks good at the moment. And of course we have Ethereum, which is the second biggest cryptocurrency, trading at $3,000, more than 3,000, 3.5. Okay, prices are rising for cryptocurrencies. A lot of people are jumping in at this early period. There are people who have jumped in earlier. Okay, you have Tether number 3, you have number 4 BNB, Solana number 5, XRP number 6, USDC, the stable coin that is rivaling Tether. Doge is number 8. Toncoin, I think this is new. Toncoin, okay, this is a new, okay, at $6.69. Wow, this is new. Wow, this Toncoin, okay, it's pretty new in this list. Usually I would see Cardano. Avalanche is the one that has been kicked out from the top 10. Toncoin has risen 2 occasions. Okay, that's very interesting. That's why CoinMarketCap also updates these coins, but it takes a while for coins to make it to a top 10. But Toncoin is the new comer on the top 10, and I believe there used to be Litecoin, Darkcoin, Bitcoin Cash was to be part of the top 10. But top 10, they reshuffle over time as well. But that's interesting to know about Toncoin. I'll be looking into Toncoin as the next video probably, and we'll be analyzing Toncoin and looking into the project, which is something interesting to be doing. And I hope that I release this video by Friday as well. That's what I hope to do. Okay, that's how the outlook for CoinMarketCap at the moment looks like. Let's look at Bitcoin Halving, the biggest event coming this April. Major implication regarding the crypto market as a whole. Okay, so people who don't understand, let us go to those ABCs, because our channel is mostly research and education. Okay, on a very basic level, I must say there are channels that will go on a much deeper level, explaining cryptocurrencies and so forth. Okay, so let us look at Bitcoin halving. Vince, what is Bitcoin halving? Okay, the Bitcoin halving is when Bitcoin's mining reward is split in half every 4 years. Okay, let me just read on. It takes the blockchain network about 4 years to open 210,000 more blocks, a standard set by the blockchain's creators to continuously reduce the rate at which the cryptocurrency is introduced, sort of preventing inflation from happening. So as we have in our current system, okay, we have a problem of inflation. That's why prices keep on going higher of the goods and services that we are utilizing worldwide actually. The first reward was 50 Bitcoin. That was back in 2011, 2010, 12 years. Our previous halving dates were, now this one is important because I also want to reiterate it in the chart, see the implications. Okay, November 28, 2012. Okay, let me just check something. Okay, November 28, 2012 to 25 Bitcoins, and then July 9th, 2016. Then this is the most memorable one, 2017, when Bitcoin became popular, especially December 2027 in the following year. Then the recent one, this one is well known, and it had COVID time as well. People were using a lot of crypto. I think also COVID, when people could not go out and interact, they used the internet, and most of the transactions were conducted in crypto. I think it also boosted the crypto market during the COVID-19, other than the halving itself. May 11, 2022, 625. Now the next one, which is coming in 10 days time, is the one that we are making for. The next halving is expected to occur in April 2024, when the block reward will fall to 3.125 BTCs per reward. As of March 2024, about 19.65 million Bitcoins were in circulation, okay, leaving just around 1.35 million to be released via mining rewards. So this entire process, it is to mitigate such things as inflation, making Bitcoin scarce, giving it scarcity. When a product or an element in any case is scarce, like gold, diamond, those are scarce elements. You don't just find them anywhere. They gain value over time. So Bitcoin is a digital currency that aims to gain value, digitally speaking, using digital ways to ban Bitcoins and bring about new Bitcoins so that there can not be an oversupply of Bitcoin. So sort of like the same thing that happens with the natural mineral resources out there. But other than that, what is interesting as well is that not only Bitcoin was having a halving just this year, but recently there was also another halving for a coin, a fork of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. Had a halving just recently. I got an article here that says, okay, like I was saying, the screen can be a little bit stubborn, but it's fine. Okay, we're gonna get into it. Alright, Bitcoin Cash spiked. Okay, spikes 10% after halving. Bitcoin hovers above 66k as it does right now. So this is recent. Analyst said BTC traders are probably waiting for the microeconomic signals before making a move. The current market lull. So so when they say lull, it's the market calm. So the market is a bit calm, waiting for a big event to occur. Particularly this halving will have major impacts because even traders are waiting to put in their bets and buy cryptocurrencies as much as they can to make massive profits. You'll be hearing stories. Bitcoin Cash, BCH in short, surged 10% after successfully completing its reward halving event that cut the block reward to 3.125, same as Bitcoin BCH, but a bit earlier. Okay, the cryptocurrency market remains mostly unchanged, with Bitcoin, whose halving occurs later this month, the one I was speaking about, trading at just above 66,300 up. It was then, okay, a couple of days ago, but now we know that Bitcoin is trading much higher than that, which is almost $70,000 per coin. So halving does have major implication. You can see that it surged. So when they say it surged, it means that it went up by 10%. Those who don't understand some of these terms, surge, some people within our community, in our channel, that may not be familiar with these terms, surge. Now, surge means that it surged, went up by 10%. Okay, so familiarize yourself. You heard about the bull and the bear. The bull and the bear means uptrend, downtrend. Maybe that's too simple for me to explain, but anyway, that is the whole situation regarding the halving market. But now let's look at the market. Let us look into the chart and make people understand clearly the implication and the impact that it has on the entire landscape of has that information. Extremely useful for me to use. Just give me a second before this chart started unfolding. Okay, I need to wait for that, but anyway, can go to another page. Alright, okay, we can be cool with that. Let me see if I can go to this page. Alright, now it's cool, it's fine, but okay. Alright, no, it's quite now. Once again, live and halving countdown. We are left with estimate time 15 hours 9 days, but approximately now went down to 10 hours. As I said, Bitcoin is at $69,000 per coin currently. All right, let me see the chart. Yes, there's the chart now. Here we go. Now you can see here when it was in I don't know if it's gonna be clear enough for someone to see on the chart. Okay, right there on the bottom chart at the bottom to show you the date. This is a weekly chart, right? To show you the date that the Bitcoin was, okay, in 2021. Okay, let's go back to 2020. Okay, 2020, okay, November. But the thing is, after 2020, Bitcoin spiked in 2020, not during the halving. It's only the following year that Bitcoin really spiked, or cryptocurrency spiked. Let me show you another example. I think it was, yeah, no, this is the one, 2020, and then it went down just a little bit, okay, as we are approaching in the middle of 2020, and by the end of 2020, December, the bull trend started going down or slowing down, and it all went down. And in 2022, and as we all know, it was a year whereby Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies were in bearish mode. So crypto cost about $16,000 per coin, 15,000 lowest, I think, yes, per coin. But now, as we are heading to the halving, but now the surprising thing is that this trend is already defeating the past trends before even halving happens. My question is, how high will it go after halving, even 2025 next year? Okay, so Bitcoin will go extremely high unless maybe those guys, ETF people, BlackRock, and then could control the market and stabilize it and put it, I don't know, because Bitcoin is becoming regulated and all these exchanges are regulating Bitcoin, and they can have that power to mitigate its potential of getting even to, I don't know, $500,000 per coin. I don't know, maybe I'm exaggerating, but I don't know. Let's see what implications it will have, this halving in 2024. It will be very interesting how it will go. I, as a trader myself, I'm interested. But if you look at the bottom, it's on overbought. So there will be a time where it might come down a little bit just to shoot right up again. So to all those who've been watching, thank you very much. Until next time, we'll be looking at a new project this Friday and analyzing it. Please be sure to subscribe. Please do like the video. And once again, thank you very much. Until next time.